when someone sets out to do their bathroom rather, you thinking about how it's used, who's using it, future proofing, and those kind of inevitabilities, which are kind of all good. What would you say when people are coming into you are the top things that you recommend to people that they may not have heard of and perhaps should do some research into?
So we're really big on the Sunshower at the moment. Have you heard of the Sunshower?
No, I haven't.
So one of the wellness products that we're really into at the minute, which is new to us, so we haven't had all the training, but we're really excited about it, is the Sunshower. So the only way I can describe it really, it looks like a massive iPhone that you put in the shower. It's available in a couple of different colours, so you can tone it in with your bathroom scheme. But it's a light therapy tool, so it's a really great wellness tool. You put it on for 10 minutes in the morning when you have your shower, or 10 minutes in the evening, and the wellness benefits are massive. So it can really help to combat vitamin D deficiencies, which, you know, we suffer from in the UK because of the sunlight in the winter. It's really great infrared technology for muscle repair, skin health, and the benefits are amazing. And what really helped was when the rep came, he looked fantastic. So I was like, "Do you have a sun shower?" He said, "Yeah, I use it all the time." I was like, "I think I'm going to get a sun shower," because he looked so well. So, you know, those types of products, they are on the market. You know, steam, sauna, the Japanese toilets, the electric washing toilets. There's just so much that you can offer people that they just don't know about, and sometimes we don't know about. So we have a duty of care to educate ourselves so that we are offering clients things that are great choices for them. Because like you said earlier, if we don't know, they don't know. And then we're just in that cycle of producing mediocre work all the time because we're not educated enough.